Hello, welcome to the tvONE Training Academy. This is the first in a series of masterclasses where we're going to show you how to set your CORIOmaster up to create a video wall like this. I'm using a CORIOmaster Mini, but everything in this little series also is applicable for CORIOmaster Mini and also the 4RU CORIOmaster as well. This first short video is how we set up our unit in terms of setting up networking between my control PC, which is going to be running choreographer design software, and my CORIOmaster. You can see I fired up CORIOdiscover. It's a great little piece of software. Comes on a thumb drive with every new unit. You can also download it from the tvONE website. Also, you can check if you've had your unit in storage for a little while. You might want to check that there's a newer version available as well. First thing I'm going to do is set up my IP addresses. Two options, DHCP. And today I'm going to be using static network addresses because I'm literally connected direct via a little switch to this unit. I'm going to use a 192 address range. So I'm going to use 192, 168.1 and 10. I think I'm all right here with the subnet address, maybe add 255 in there. And I'm just going to add a gateway in the same family as the main address. So it's going to be a 192.168.1.1. I'm going to save that. Now, what you'll notice is my CORIOmaster here now will restart. And while it's doing that, it will then set the IP address. So that's now back up. We can also, as well as configuring the IP addresses, we can also update our firmware on the unit. So what we do is we log in to the unit, and then we can just browse to the update file. So what I normally do is when there's a new update, I go and grab it from the tvONE website, pop it on the desktop, and then navigate to it. Once again, it's a quick process and you're up and running with new firmware. We also have a resolution editor as well. So I'm going to log into here. Now, the default password for the administrator is admin pw. You can change that later on, and I'll show you how to change that. This is the resolution editor. So we can work with everything from 640, 480 to our 4K resolutions. There's a huge number here. I think there's 70 odd here. We can also create new resolutions as well. So I can either copy one or I can create one from scratch. Within the custom resolution editor, I can only manually create the resolution, or I can use some Visa tables as well. So tvONE are a member of Visa, and that means it cuts out some of the setup time because it knows some of the settings. We can add quite a few resolutions here, probably up to 10 here, into the resolution table. We use that if we've got a strange custom resolution that's coming in, or we're using an unusual monitor on the way out and we want to plot that resolution in. What happens then when CORIOmaster sees the source or the display, it then looks up this table here and sets it automatically. So that's how we set that up. Great little tool, CORIOdiscover. Come back and see the next video and I'll be entering into the wonderful world of CORIOmaster.